Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to see top alliances in KingShot. In this video, let's talk about how to see the top alliances in KingShot. When you open your alliance tab, the members' power and KO stats you see only reflects your own alliance. To check which alliances dominate your entire kingdom, or even across all kingdoms, head to your profile in the top left corner of your screen, tap on the leaderboard. From there, select the Alliance tab to view rankings. By default, it shows the top alliances with your current kingdom. That's the entire map section you belong to. But if you want to see the rankings for all kingdoms in the game, simply switch to the All Kingdoms tab. You see which alliances hold the most power across the entire server network, with Final Boss currently leading the charge. You can also explore other leaderboards like individual power, kills, or contribution rankings to see where you and your alliance members stand. And that's how you can easily find the top alliances in KingShot. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.